Hey again. In this video, I want to talk more details about button event and callback. So to get started, I will create a new file. I will name it callback. Okay. And for sure, to get started, I have say hey from tk enter import start. Then I say hey from tk enter import ttk. Okay. Then we have the root. I say hey root equal tk. Then I say hey root dot main loop. So what we have it. So what I want to do, I want to add a button. So I say okay bu equal ttk dot button, and this button have a text click me this way, click me one, and this should be as a text for the button, and this button also should add it to the root, so it should be root. Okay, and that is. And let's suppose this button try to call a specific method, which is you could add in any place, but to be clear, let me add it here. I will name it def bu click. Okay, and this button basically this is this symbol, and I say hey print button is a click it. Okay, this we just started in this simple way. So then this button should be called from here by writing command okay equal the button click, and that is. Now hopefully I have everything ready, but if I just rerun it, I don't see any button now because I didn't bake it. So I have to say hey bu dot bake, so it could appear. So now rerun it again. Here you go, this is the button, click me. So I click it, hey button is clicked. But now if you see, first of all, I don't see any necessity to having this instance from this button. So if you don't use the instance of the button, it's better to move it here. Okay, if you don't use it, so I could do it here in this way because it's not necessary to do it, and still getting same result. I don't use the instance of the button, it's still same result. Now that's good. Now what if I want the button to receive something like ID, and I want here to print the ID, okay, dot format for the ID. But now if you say hey this button get ID, if I just send the ID here as you believe, for example I want to send 10, now if you run it, he will not show you 10, and he will not call the button either. I think he show you for one time, is that right? But wait, when you just run it, he just directly show you 10. So why this happen? I didn't click anything. Why he just directly show me 10? Why when now I click on the button I don't see anything? The problem is this. When the Python scan this button and he see this event, he say this event, hey, have this value and need to be assigned to this object. So let me go and execute this event. He will go here and execute it and print data and return. There is no data returned, so he will return null. So he will add null in the command. So because command now have null, so when anyone try to click on the button, he did not fire anything. Now how to make this event be fired when button click it, not getting the result? So just to give you a refresh again, this now bringing this one when the document is scanned, he be in this line, he go and run it, and he return null, and he add null in this command. It's basically to solve this problem using lambda. You know what you mean lambda. Lambda is still same function, just say lambda equal. So lambda doesn't expect any input, but it run this function. You understand about lambda before. So now what you say hey, this button, when anyone click, when you scan this document, you get lambda. You have to think about lambda have specific function call inside it. So now when he run it, he will not show you anything here. He will not fire this event because you will consider it as a function call inside lambda. So now when you click button, he's just working. So you will see this case when you work later on in the game. So whenever you want to pass any information to your button click, you have to make sure from this thing. You have to make sure you're seeing lambda. Here we done, and thank you for watching.